Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing some super exciting news with you all. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, then you may have already heard, but for those of you that do not, I am going to be stepping from behind the camera. Not yet. In February, and I'm going to be teaching my first in-person, hands-on, sew-along class. I am so excited about it. I will be traveling to Stockbridge, Georgia on February the 20th through the 22nd, and I'll be teaching two classes, one for beginners and one for intermediates. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. We will be following along with the pattern, so when you enter the class, when the class is over, you will have a finished garment. I cannot wait. These classes are going to be all day. So an all day event, all you have to do is come. Everything will be provided for you to sew your garment, all of the supplies, fabric, notions, including your sewing machine. Yes! Not just a sewing machine, but also lunch. So like I said, a full all-day event. I'm super excited. It's also going to be some machine demo going on, so you'll be able to know and get familiar with your machine before we sew our garment. Lots of people there, so we can meet and greet, take lots of pictures, and just have a great time sewing together. So I cannot wait to see you all there. This is the perfect time because you can gift this to yourself, or you can have somebody else gift this to you for Christmas. So in the description box below, you will see two links, one for Friday's class and the other for the Saturday class. Again, this is going to be taking place in February the 20th through the 22nd, 2020 in Stockbridge, Georgia at Simply Sewing Center. I cannot wait to meet you all and sew together. Seats are limited, so be sure to go ahead and click one of the classes below to sign up to secure your spot, and I will see you in February. Blessings, everyone. Bye.